defensive skill used to stop or save the ball after an opponent attacks or spikes. A player usually uses their forearms to keep the ball from touching the floor. Digging means receiving a hard-hit ball from the other team, controlling the ball so your team can continue the rally, protecting your side from losing a point. Example: if the opponent spikes the ball toward your team and a player quickly bends down and passes it up using their arms, that action is called a dig. Important skills in digging: quick reflexes, good positioning, balance and focus, strong forearms, fast control. Basic steps: number 1, watch the hitter and the ball. Number 2, move into position. Number 3, bend your knees and stay low. Number 4, join your hands together. Number 5, use your forearms to pass the ball upward.